Hey fashion lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel Stylogy. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time and location. You are most welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, my video topic is about leather outfit. Before telling you the website, please subscribe my channel. If you have already subscribed my channel, then do not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all notification of my upcoming videos. In this way, you will never miss my videos of my YouTube channel. So guys, if you want to buy these, amazon.com, alibaba.com and aliexpress.com. So if you're loving these, please do like my videos and also share my videos with your friends, relatives on social media. This is ton of exciting content waiting for you on my YouTube channel. So guys, if you're loving, so guys, and because to check it out and give your feedback in the comment section that how was the video, how was the design, tell me in the comment section. Goodbye dear friend, till the next video, see you soon with new collection.